How to unwrap Solana in Phantom Wallet. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. In order to do it, you first need to launch your Phantom Wallet application. Now over here, in order to unwrap your Solana, you simply need to tap on Solana that you will be able to see on the home page. If you are not able to find Solana on the home page, then you need to tap on Manage Token List, and from here you just have to turn the toggle button on right next to Solana. Then you need to come back on the home page and select Solana icon. Afterwards, you will be able to see the staking option over here. So you need to tap on staking and then you will be landed on the next page where you will be able to see your Solana that you have staked previously. Now over here, in order to unwrap it, you just have to select the unwrap option or the unstake option, and this way you will be able to unwrap your Solana in Phantom Wallet. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.